So my name is Botain. I work for Slam and I'm a mechanical assistant. So it's basically more like plumbing. So we deal with everything that has to do with plumbing. So with Slam we've got about 5 hospitals. So I work for Bethlehem. So on a daily basis we do like anything that has anything to do with plumbing. So we attend to calls like blocking sinks, clearing manholes, but normally we do PPMs like tank checks and then doing clarifier checks, yeah. The support that I received from my tutors is a lot because when I first started I wasn't confident. So they were all by my side, helping me to do the work I wasn't confident in myself doing. We do theory and practicals and then we apply that at work. So the theory and practicals we do in our college, it helps like to build a broad knowledge of what we do in our work, what we're meant to be doing in our work, so it makes the job easier. To be fair, Croydon College has helped me a lot because when I first started I wasn't confident, but doing the practicals and theory in the workshop has made me like build confidence because I get to do the work myself, and then when I get to work I do it myself, so yeah, it helps a lot.